Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna KFC.
Today we are gonna do we are. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, babe, what are we gonna do?
KFC.
KFC versus chicken cottage.
Alright. So what we're gonna do next now?
If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell notification para updated kayo sa aming mga bagong video. Let's start! So guys, the mechanics is we gonna do head and tail. Who got the head or the tail is the one na gonna choose. Kung sino makakuha ng head or tail, siya ang maglalagay ng different na pagkain dito. Okay? Tapos, we're gonna move it from side to side while the other one is blindfolded. Okay? And he got a chance, or I got a chance to move it again. So, para fair naman. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, we're ready.
So, which one are you
Let's
gonna
do it.
So, which one are you gonna head or tail?
Tail, I'm the tail.
I'm gonna be the head.
That's my choice.
So, your head, are you gonna be tail, isn't
I'm
it?
saying I'm tail.
Okay.
Yes. First, I am gonna start.
And this, I'm gonna
I
be
know
the
my
tail.
chance.
So, head. So now, you are the one who are gonna put the... So first is the chips. You choose while I'm in the blind. Chips.
So we start putting chips here.
No, you don't need to...
Yeah.
Look, I already seen it. It's up to you whether which one you wanna do. I'm gonna put the blindfold because I will see it.
Okay.
Okay, you do.
Ready? Guys,
Don't remove. Okay, don't remove, yeah? In 3.
Can you hide?
Wait, just do it again.
Can you
Ready?
cover your I
Okay.
don't like that one. You already saw it. So you can, one time you can
Okay.
remove wrong.
Okay.
Put your both hand here. Don't remove this one. Other one here, yeah.
No, not one time. Whatever I wanna do.
You like to do it.
Okay. Ready? Wait,
Yes. Here you go.
wait. Ready?
Yes, you will choose which one.
Ready?
You choose that one.
Yeah, you choose this one, yeah? What do you wanna get? KFC or chicken cottage?
For me, KFC. I like KFC. It's nice. Taste. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Surprise!
Chicken nugget.
I am the KFC. That's I want. That's I like it's coming to me. Oh my god.
Perfect.
Yeah, I mean, I'm the KFC.
What's the first? Oh, that's too big, you know?
Salt and vinegar taste is nice.
But this is show them this is thin and that
My
one
size
is fat.
chips a little bit bigger than that one.
It's okay for me.
For
you know?
her slim.
Okay. Next one.
For my hair, my
So now
fancy
it's the
anything.
chicken hot spicy wings.
Hopefully I'm gonna get KFC. That's all I want. I know what I'm gonna get KFC.
I think
The
no.
days is nice.
Okay, you have your turn to move.
What is it? Shall I do which side?
It's up to you.
I don't
Or you
fold
wanna
them-
keep the...
fold them from the table.
It's not gonna
Make sure inside the table, yeah? Yeah?
Okay. Only one turn? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
No.
It's okay. It's already... Are you sure about that? You want a one turn or no?
Yeah, no. I'm fine with my chance. I know I'm gonna get
Okay.
KFC. I'm gonna
I
get
want the KFC. I want
We will
it. It's
see.
that one is more crispy.
1, 2,
Two,
3,
three,
guys.
go.
Ready? Yeah!
Oh God.
Here's it, guys. I said I'm gonna get KFC. I got it. I'm lucky. I know it.
Okay, cheers. One.
Oh my God,
Oh,
so
that-
crispy.
That is more crispy. This is, look guys, the
Boy.
difference. This is KFC and this is...
Mmm.
Oh God, you enjoy your chicken.
What? Mmm. Okay, tell me your time now. Okay, we're going for next.
Go. Okay, in. Ready. Go.
So guys, we have KFC peppery,
You know, it's KFC Zinger,
zinger, yeah,
the spicy one,
spicy one,
and the peri peri.
peppery wrap.
I
You will
think
see
I
this
think
one
I'm
now.
gonna go for. I like the peri peri one because it's a big salad.
Okay, so let me, I'm gonna put place. I'm gonna hide them. And then hide this one. You can't fade. Okay, ready. You can roll it one more time. Roll two times.
I don't know. I think I don't wanna roll it.
Roll one, whatever you like. Do one more, roll one more time.
Okay.
Ready?
Why are you laughing?
Because you're not like it.
Okay.
Alright.
Which one do you like? The peri peri one or
Yeah, I
the?
like that one. I wanna
Okay,
get
ready,
this.
steady, go.
Yay!
Yay!
You see, guys,
I got
want
the
my roll.
singer one.
You know, I like my roll with bread, chili spicy.
Singer.
Mommy, come and have it.
This is spicy, anak.
Ma, is it chips
Can we have
spicy?
more?
Is this chips spicy? Is
No.
this chips spicy?
That's it.
Have to test.
Mm.
It's nice, isn't it?
Mm. You wanna do your
Super.
too much?
Are done. Go get these chips. Come on, go. Now, we're gonna do the. Close your eyes.
What
Okay,
is
time
this?
for me now. I
What?
close my eyes.
We're gonna do the one-piece chicken.
But I'm gonna be making KFC. You will
I
see
want
that.
this one KFC. If it comes to fried chicken, I like KFC.
Dad,
I'm not seeing anything. What number?
spicy.
What
This is
number?
the. It's the same thing, but you see, it's more.
For me KFC. Mm. I'm
One
smelling
chicken.
KFC now.
Some KFC from that one or that one?
I then.
That's
Okay.
my choice. Ready?
If you wanna move or not.
Of course I want to do. Yeah. Oh, I want to have. Blue
I
one.
want a
My.
chicken. I want a KFC.
Fuck, I chose
Well,
the
which
blue
one do you like?
Blue one. This one. I'll
Are you sure?
Yes. That's what I want to do. Oh, you're cheap.
I got the KFC, the more
She
crispier
like it. She
one.
went time by one
Okay.
time.
Try it. Oh, I like the skin. Anyway, you're not eating the skin.
This one.
What is that? I like it. This is more tasty.
Just a little bit sour and no spicy. Just fry it. Not even no secret. It's okay.
Okay, it's my turn.
Rice
With the
and rice.
burger.
Burger.
Chicken burger.
I want the chicken.
Okay,
Burger.
it's my time.
Burger.
I wanna get the KFC done.
KFC for me. Maybe
Ready?
you got some you like.
That is a chicken burger, guys. Okay, babe?
Yes.
I want a KFC. No, I'm not.
Okay. Right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Ah, chicken burger. So they have the chicken nuggets. Anyway, I think this is okay as well.
Who's the?
I think this is alright as well. But the chicken is not crispy or right.
Oh, wow, wow.
That's the this is the version of chicken burger,
wanna
plain
try it?
one.
No,
I want to have one bite of the bread.
no. Mm.
That's okay.
It's not bad.
Okay, this time we have to do the drinks.
No more drinks tango.
Oh, Diet Pepsi or
No more tango. No, can you put the tango as well?
Orange juice.
okay,
We want a
I
tango.
want orange juice.
Okay.
yeah, okay.
You can use my orange
So
juice.
time for me, tango for me, yeah.
No, the either is tango and you are Pepsi or. Okay. Go ask Daddy to open that one.
Can you open it? Like, can
You know what? Wait, we wait, yeah,
Give
because
me
we need to
one-
get the
1 minute,
stuff.
Papa. Okay. I'm ready. I'm blind now. I can't see anything.
I want to have a Diet Pepsi, of course. Okay.
Okay, let's see, guys, what we're gonna have.
I can move. Okay.
Daddy,
Okay, you can move.
Ready?
I said later.
Ready, let's go.
I want to drink the orange juice right now.
Go get the.
Oh,
Which one you wanna choose?
This one. No.
No. Yeah.
1, 2,
Two,
3,
three.
guys. Hey!
Yeah.
I got that one.
I want this one, baby. This is the.
This is my one.
Okay, let's just compare the different
Just
things.
Someone
intense.
gets something. It's good now. Now
I don't like this one regular because I wanna have
Please
a
let me
less.
still right now.
No, you drink this one. I think that one.
Yeah, thank you, babe. Hey, then move away from the camera.
Ah,
Okay.
next.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Mmm.
Okay, guys. This is the end of our challenge. KFC versus Chicken Cottage.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga bagong videos. Bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.
Spread love. See you on the next one. Bye! it.
You put your drinks into my feet, man.
I said to you.